Okay, so let's say you come across a really interesting article that you want to read, but you kind of don't have the patience or the energy to go through all of this immediately. What you can do then instead is click on the Explain Chrome extension and super quickly,
Waste is a specialized inference engine that solves a hardware problem.
like as you noticed, in like a couple of seconds, a video starts playing about that specific article. Let's watch it a bit more.
How to run a model with nearly 3 trillion parameters on a laptop.
I'll scrub a little bit forward. Here you can see it gives you a nice little overview where it talks about the important takeaways of that write-up and also creates visualizations, for example, a mermaid diagram.
For every token, a router identifies which small fraction of the model is actually needed.
That actually uses the pointer to talk through. And let's scrub forward a little bit and see, yeah, it also talks through like tables.
It's slow, but it's a breakthrough because it's running a frontier scale model.
And also we have a code view. Yeah, it can actually talk over code while using the pointer to highlight.
From there, you just call generate to start getting tokens. Let's wrap up with a question.
Yeah, and it also always ends up with a quiz just to make sure that you actually catch the point of the article. And if you don't want to watch it immediately, you can just click on your profile and under explainers, you'll have all of your explainers listed and it's all free, but you need an account here on Scrimba.com, which is a learning platform that we are building. So, hope you like it. Thank you.